Have a slow or clogged drain in your house? Whether it's the kitchen sink, bathtub, or toilet, we recommend using a bottle of Green Gobbler to make it an easy fix. Green Gobbler is an enzyme-type drain cleaner that uses biodegradable ingredients that help dissolve hair, grease, soap scum, toilet paper, and other organic matter that may be causing clogs within your pipes. We like the product because it's easy to use, comes in pre-measured applications, and contains biodegradable non-toxic ingredients that's safe on pipes. Links to the product are available in the description below. This product works great to open up slow drains with no messy snaking or pumping with the plunger needed. For sinks and tubs, simply pour one pre-measured application into your slow or clogged drain. It's odorless and uses no bleach, making it safe for all types of pipes and septic systems. Wait at least 1 hour to let the enzymes work its magic. After letting the solution sit, flush the drain with hot water to clear up the clog. You'll notice the difference right away. Simple, easy, no mess. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.